Good morning, everybody. It's pack opening number 6. It's a Saturday today. And here's our big pack. We're just going to kind of put a little snip-a-rooney in the corner because that worked so darn well. It was so hard not to open multiple packs today, but we got to kind of stick to our... That's what preserves some of the joy, right? And remember, this is kind of for having fun. Although the competitive side can be pretty fun too. Got this guy open, and let's see what we got. So there we are. We have a Sierra, an oddball. That's like our third one of those. Oh, we had two cards there. Sorry, everybody. So what do we got there? Tinkerbell. And before her was a Lyra Festival. Hey, helping hand. Sweet. Can always use some more Bravos power. We'll take a closer look at that once we get it all scanned in. Ouroboros Croupier. Hydrocana. Ordis Cadets. Aether Shard. Tiny Jin. Right on. Not that rare, but I mean, still. Feels like it's two cards, but. And then what did we get? A rare Twinkle Twinkle. Ooh, another rare Bravos Tracer. And Ordis Lyra Bastion. And a Buddha token. Whee! Alright, catch you guys in just a minute here. We'll get this flipped around. Alright, and we're back here. We're starting off with Sierra, which we've seen a few times. When you play a permanent with hand cost 3 or more, you may exhaust me to create a Brass Bug 2/2/2 robot token in your target expedition. And then we got Lyra Festival. This is one we haven't seen. Let's make a look. Alright, play from anywhere, draw a card. At dusk, if you control a fleeting character, another anchored character, and yet another asleep character, you win the game. Well, holy jumpins. That is quite the card. Yeah, apparently we have two of them. So, that's cool. We'll have to definitely throw that in a Lyra deck, won't we? That's awesome. What's after festival? We've got Tinkerbell. This is the, looks like it's kind of based more off of the actual, like, the blacksmith pot repairing Tinkerbell, too, which is kind of cool. Apparently I've got two copies of her, too. So, nice. Next, we have our Croupier. We have one rare one. Roll a die on a 4+, draw a card on a 1/3 resupply. And a regular one, roll a die on a 4+, draw a card on a 1/3 resupply. So where's the, oh, okay. It's a 5/5. Yes, that's definitely a nicer option, but they're not in the same faction either, so look at that. Next, Hydrocana. This is the regular, which we have two of these. Eternal, during rest, I don't go to reserve. I gain 4 boosts. At noon, I gain. Whoa. When played from anywhere, I gain 4 boosts. At noon, I gain 4 boosts. That's awesome. This rare one, Eternal during rest. I don't go to reserve. Tough X, where X is the plan number plans you control. Oof. I gain 4 boosts again. That's awesome. Yeah, I can't wait until I can put one of those decks together. I need more plant stuff, like those shrooms and stuff. Ordis Cadets. Play from anywhere, create an Ordis, recruit 1/1/1 soldiers opener in my expedition. Awesome. Aether Shard. Aether Shard. There we go. At noon, draw a card. Oh, it's a permanent landmark. Okay. That's actually kind of handy. I don't got 2 of those. I almost got a full set. And a Lyra Bastion. If you would roll 1 or more dice, instead roll that many dice plus 1 and ignore the roll of your choice. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. Sweet. A resupply. Resupply, instead reveal the top 2 cards of your deck, put 1 in reserve, and discard the other pile. I need one of those for Bravos. Yeah, well, that concludes our Saturday. I hope everybody has a good day today. Again, thank you so much for coming and watching. And Bastuardo out.